Good morning. So we have already completed one exercise. So in that I forgot to inform some of the important things when you start your first drawing. So I will start explaining those things first, then we will continue with the second exercise. So this is the first of all, the important thing I forgot to inform you was you have to set a working directory first of all. So how to set the working directory? You can go here, select working directory, then you select your computer, then on the required drive, then you can say create a new folder. uh, Let us say you create a new folder and you name it so okay, then we are inside the directory now, then okay. So you can check once again here, working directory, it is proper. So this is very important before you start any of your work. Okay, now we can start our exercise. Go to new. So as we have done in this first exercise, we'll use the same method. We will go to sketch and give a name here, exercise number or exercise 02, then okay. Same way we will again add the coordinate system. Click here, place it, okay, then select the line, lock, again one more time select the line and lock it. So one more thing, you can add horizontal, so x, y. So now the coordinate system is locked completely. Now we can refer the drawing here. So if you want, you can draw a rectangle. So I will explain another method. Instead of drawing lines one by one, what we will do, we will draw a rectangle of size 70 by 60 and we will make these cuts, right? So let us draw a rectangle, corner rectangle. There are 1, 2, 3, 4 different types. So we will be using the corner rectangle for first drawing. So now you can see that this is 9.77 and 6.88. Actually our dimension is something else in the sense 70 and 60. It should be 10 times bigger. We have to scale it. So how to do that? You can select the entire thing, then go to modify, then you can click the lock scale option, then remove the regenerate, then here this you can give 70, enter, and this you can remove the lock scale and here you can enter 60, then okay. Now you can see that this particular sketch is now 70 and 60. Now we have to remove this portion and these 3 portions. So how can we do that? So you can draw lines. So let us draw lines one by one. Here one line and here another one more. Then one more is here. make sure that whenever some constraint is appearing, you have to see that. See, now you can see that because this not a closed sketch, that is why the shading is not appearing here. Now how to trim the portion? So you can select the delete segment option here, then you can just click and drag here this portion like this, you can click and drag. So now you can see again the same shading is appearing. So now one more time we have to give the dimension. So go to dimension here. So from here to here is 70, enter. Then from here to here it is 60, enter. So once again we have defined the dimension properly to make sure that this is not going outside our control. And this is 40 and this is 10. So let us add those dimensions. So this one, this is 40, and from this dimension it is 10. Okay. Then from here it is 10. So you see what is going to happen. If I am giving a dimension here, let us say from here to here I am going to give a dimension. So it is asking me to delete some of the dimension. So this 37.62 is not there in this drawing. 37.62 is not there. So what I will do, I will delete this 37.62, delete, and I will enter the value 10 here. Okay. Now next, what is next? From here to here it is 40. So let us define the dimension here. So it is given there. It's 40. Okay. Now, so this is 30 and 10. So let us add those dimensions. This is 10, and this is 30. I think all the dimensions are defined. You have to check and ensure that all the dimensions are properly defined. Okay, now let us check these here, two circles and one bigger circle. Let us make this bigger circle first. Dia 20, 20 and 15. Okay, so go here, circle. So draw the circle here. So this is dia 20. So x20, y15, x20, y15. So x is 20, y is 15. That particular step also over. Now here two more circles. So let us draw those circles also. 15, 15, and here 35, 35, 35, 35 from this edge and the bottom. So let us draw this small circle first, dia 10. Dia 10. Okay. So this is dia 10, and this is 15, and this is also 15. We have to arrange the dimensions properly. Now one more circle we have to draw, that is another one more circle. So automatically you can see equal symbol is appearing, no issue. You can give the dimension there. Then so from bottom edge to 35 and this edge to 35 here. So let us add those dimensions from this bottom edge to this center. it is 35, and from this edge to this edge also 35. Arrange a little bit the dimensions. So by doing this particular exercise, we have learned how to select the working directory and use a rectangle, and scaling, lock scale and regenerate on and off options, then making the trim, doing the trim option, and maintaining all the dimensions. Okay, so we can save our drawing. Okay, so that's all. So keep watching for the next video. Okay, thank you.